Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. Today I would like to talk about Hbar targets updates with my customer request. Let's dive in. All right, guys. Never say never. Once again, I posted the video when I mark. So this is the next zone of interest because the same zone of interest what we track it since I guess May 2022 because this FEEP just one and only what we track last 3 years. And people always complain about, oh, no, we not drop that low. You just dream about that entries. Hbar will go to the moon, to the $1, $5, and all of that random numbers. But guys, of course, nobody could predict that drop. Nobody, just literally nobody. You can open any account, nobody could predict. So we will drop that low, especially on altcoins. On BTC, nothing special happening, right? So we're still over the 100K. Nothing special happening, but the dump on alts is kind of weird. Just to be honest, just weird because in one candle we just dump it like 66%. I always ask the question: what's the point of that altcoins, like a startup, like fundamental of that tokens, if the asset can dump 66% just in one single candle? Just because some old guy run the new tariffs, China. It's kind of weird, you know. All right, if you bought it here, congrats. You bought in the right time, in the right moment, especially if you even add the limit order to buy, because I'm not track any alts. I bought only ICP, 1 inch and algo. Just add more position to algo, you know, to keep it a great entry in average, right? I didn't add any limit order to buy Hbar, but if you did, if you watched the previous videos, you did amazing job because you already could be in profit from that zone over than 100%. So if your limit order trigger it just with rough initial deposit and forget about this token and ride to the moon with the free tokens. So that's the point, guys. Is it possible? So this is the end of cycle and for alts and the BTC? Yes. Why not? Of course it's possible, guys. I don't know why the people worry about it. Yes, we maybe will not see the crazy altcoin season, maybe. But what we can do? Nothing. We can control only our risk management. Risk management, money management. So now no money inflow yet in the weekly time frame. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird. Also on algo, I showed you today the example. So does it look like double bottom? Yes. So one more time, the patterns will not play out. Does it look like a cup and handle? Yes. Patterns not playing out. Patterns just patterns, right? Nothing special. Just sometimes they play out, sometimes not. That's why, guys, the money management, risk management is the key. Targets, for me personally, still relevant. I'm still won't believe that Hbar will hit the $1. 65.97, this is my take for the Hbar. So this is it. I never build a crazy targets for this absolutely useless token, like an asset for the trades. Because if this is some special token, why dump it like 66%? It's not special. Absolutely the same asset like any other token because it dump it like all, even the memes, even just regular tokens like other one. So Hbar is not special. With fundamental or without, guys. So take off your pink glasses and not fall in love in any token. Usually what I would like to see, I would like to see the drop to zero level against as 1377. This one test close 50% of this week and continuation rally higher. I just don't understand the logic of that dump. If this is like a COVID dump, I don't understand why the BTC at all-time high and the altcoins at all-time low. Why we dump it? For what? To make everybody rich now? Kind of weird. If this is the end of cycle, in this case, the altcoins will need regulation and the crypto need regulation because basically 99% of altcoins is a pure scam. We need some investigation, right? Especially for the tokens after leasing. So daily time frame, money power, no money inflow yet also. Unfortunately, guys, so I would like to show you the updates. Targets, you can open the fee. This video, take a pause and take a look at the fee levels. everything relevant. I'm waiting the test of 1377. So this is my take. All zones I showed you before. 27 zone play now, pretty good one. Money power, no money in. No money inflow. It is a direction. And this is accumulation. Here, accumulation was in June 25. We pumped it from 0 level to 0.5. Now we landed back to 18 and we formed a divergence. So it's bullish one, but without any signal of accumulation like it was here in June. It's kind of weird. That's why I wish to see the drop, not like a drop. I wish to see the correction again to 12 cents, maybe, I don't know, 1377, I guess, will be enough. We still over the middle line on direction, so basically it's not extra bullish. And I wish to see the higher targets to form the divergence on a weekly. Here, this is the top, and I wish to see this one, 65. So this is it. And I would like to see on take profit indicator where the buy line. Now trade on in the market mood, guys. Sell, buy back, buy back, buy back, pump, no main signal to buy yet. This is optimism in the market. Some alerts still in place, still not triggered, but a lot of alerts here already triggered that night. This is a disbelief and capitulation on a daily, but I wish to see the 50% drop. I mean 50% close of this candle. By the way, we got to finally on a daily time frame take profit signal from that sell. This is why I use indicator set, because sometimes guys say you won't believe we will see that alerts, but it's happening all the time because indicators don't have any motion, nothing. So here I would like to see 1377 or maybe even 1166, 50% close of that week. This is going to be a nice one. The best zone if we dump again to 5 cents or 8, maybe, but I don't think so. We will see that numbers in the next few weeks. Market mood now on disbelief. So technically now it's good time for accumulation again. Take profit, guys. Here. Wow, we landed again to the fundamental value. Nice one. Here I post the videos, many videos about it. So wait, because we can drop to the buy line. People laughing because oh, it's impossible. Why we should drop from, I don't know, 40 cents to the 10 cents? It's impossible. We form a double bottom and we should skyrocket to the moon, but we landed even to the fundamental value. That's why I use the take profit indicator. It's give all the time the good entries. Here we can trade, by the way, a long-term period on the fundamental value, but I don't think so. Now it's the same market condition like in Zone 22. No, but it looks like this one, like this move. This is for the pump, dump, March Zone 20. This one, COVID dump, but even, I don't know, 6-10 times bigger liquidations than in COVID dump. So I don't think so. We're going to drop once again to the test of the buy line on the weekly. We already tested. So all longs, short position, whip it out. Once again, we can test the buy line. It's 1584 and the 50% of that range. It's exactly the test of the zero level, 1378. So this is what I would like to see. After that, here, some hopium for you. Take profit 3160. I wait something like this one in November. If not, we react and we go into zero. Also pretty good one. Let's trade. Let's just trade the assets, not fall in love. So let's trade open, long and shorts. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what you think about Hbar. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, I will show it in this video. Just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.